To clean collision masters, and then after that she goes to a bank and cleans that, and then
You gonna bite my phone?
no, well, he might. He won't let go either until he puts a hole in it.
Pretty birdie.
Huh? Dick? Are you a dick? Dick, 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 dick. Dumbass. Dick, 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 dick. Pretty bird. Huh? Are you a pretty bird? Come on, pretty bird. Pretty. Oh, look at the pretty bird. Pretty bird. Ooh. Ha ha ha. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Hey. Huh? Come on. Get up here. Come on. Come on. Don't be stupid. Oh, you want to swing? Come on. Get up here. Come on. You bite me, damn it. Now. Here. Come on. Let me think. Give me. Oh, damn. He's got some sharp ass claws. Come on.
You have to trim those up too?
Yeah, I haven't. And they are really like pointy. Okay, can you swing? Huh? Swing? Swing. Come on, swing, buddy. Hey. Swing. Huh? You're not gonna swing? Come on. Swing, buddy. Yeah, see? Oh, pretty bird swinging. Okay. Give me. Come on. God damn, that's... You got some sharp ass claws. Yeah, I can't... He bites every time I try to
clip them.
Yeah. Oh, short wings. No, you can't fly. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. What? Kiss? Give me a kiss. Come on. Give me a kiss. First day I had him home, he bit me right in the nose.
Oh.
Just clamped right on. Damn you. Yes. Huh? Can I eat you? Whoa, 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 whoa. All gone.